Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 20th and we're down here at the lower plot and we're fixing to do a little work on it. I've freshly tilled this plot up and now we're going to get ready for winter. We're going to put a cover crop on this. Like I say, I'm going to put elbon rye. Ryegrass is a good cover crop for the winter. It does good in cool weather down here in the south. And we've got a 50-pound bag. Should be enough, but if we run short and put it a little too heavy, we're not going to worry because we got another bag sitting up there in the shop. So anyway, let me get started here. And that didn't take just a few minutes with that cedar. And when you get down here and look, you can see these little seeds. Of course, they kind of want to act like they're invisible, but there's plenty of them out there. I have the sprinklers going right now. I'll let it go ahead and water it in. That'll get most of them. We're supposed to get a rain next week, but normally when you're going to put a cover crop, and I'm talking more in the south, because in the south we happen to have pretty warm winters. I mean, you'll get some cold occasionally, and ryegrass stands up pretty good to freezes. But you need to plant your cover crops you need to start them about 4 weeks before your first frost date, the average frost date, which that is about now, but being we had a freeze, about 3 days ago, I guess our first frost date is already passed, but we're not going to worry about it. We'll have plenty of days up in 85 and such. It doesn't take long for ryegrass to sprout out when it gets a little bit warm like that. So we'll come readdress this, in say 3-4 weeks and see how it's doing. If you want to see more of my videos, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.